Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and here I have a five-seater sofa along with a center table that I'll bring a little later. This sofa is a three-seater, then we have two chairs, and the chairs are a little high back. This concept is quite liked in modern times, in modern homes, to have chairs, the sofa chairs, a little higher back. I'll give you the dimensions. This is 6.5 feet left to right. Back height is 51 inches. Front to back, this is 32 inches. The chair is 40 left to right. Back height is 54, 4.5 feet, and front to back 32 inches. Made in teak wood, and the color is walnut with gold highlighting in Duco paint. This is not polish, this is paint in Duco finish, and the final output you can see right here. Very beautiful, and the color is getting out of the unit and every part highlighted, the carving highlighted. That gives a different look to the unit altogether. Let me show you the throne style of the chair. Very comfortable sitting, enough space. My knee roll is up to the edge of the unit for the comfortable part. Hands will get enough support, and the back will give the look of a throne. Overall look is right here. Let's see the sofa as well. I'm sitting on this corner, and the space you can see here. Let me sit in the middle, and both sides you can see enough space, and the curvaceous design of the unit that you can see on the front. This is the curve that we have that gives a different look to the unit all together. The choice of fabric again, that makes the overall look of the unit very classy. This is the table we have, 4 feet by 2 feet, a carving top with a jali work that you see on the top. Once you place a glass on it, it will be ready for use. Glass, marble, onyx, and mirrors, these are fragile items we do not provide generally unless there is a container we are sending out of India, because being fragile, they are prone for damages, and these things can be easily procured locally as well. So glass, place it, and the set is ready. Three things I like to point out here. First thing is choice wala furniture. And why we call it choice wala? Because everything, the colors, sizes, design, patterns, fabrics, table, side tables you require, you want settee, you want a divan, you want a single chair, anything and everything that is possible, that is done as per your choice. We do not provide anything extra or anything less. Generally, when you visit a showroom, you see something there. Let's say it's a 7-seater set is sitting there, and you want to change it to 5-seater. The showroom guy will not do it. They'll tell you it's a 7-seater. I can give you this set entirely as it is. However, at Aarsun, you can let us know exactly what you require. Second thing is teak wood. The wooden work is teak wood, and this is painted in Duco paint in different finish, and that finish is also as per the choice. We don't work in fiber or resin or any local wood. Teak wood is considered to be the best wood, and we are working in the best wood. Third point is about the prices. Aarsun is making it, we are the manufacturers, you are the receiver. So you always get factory price, and factory price is the best price because there is no trader commission or the middleman or some extra cost. We are sending it, you are receiving it, so you always get the best price. In India or out of India, we are delivering to more than 55 countries, and the brand of Aarsun. If you visit our website, there's a section of testimonials where you can see thousands of pictures. And these pictures that you're looking at right now, these are the products that we have made already, delivered to the client's place. Client is happy with the output. They took the picture, sent it back to us with their blessings, with their love, and with more orders for the references. 90% of our orders comes from references because people like the stuff. They refer it to other people. They let them know there's something really good and you can buy it from here. Only a happy client will refer. Only the person who is happy with your work will refer you. And this is what is happening with Aarsun. You can visit our website aarsunwoods.com. You will find thousands of designs there for everything. Select what you like. Let us know what changes you want. We'll make it as per your choice at best prices and deliver to your home in India or out of India, wherever you are. Hope you like our work. The number is right here. Please contact us. Thank you. Dhanyavad.